What's going on, everybody? I'm Mecca coming at you here, chilling on the couch, food in the microwave. I got the office set up, going to be doing some filming, but I wanted to come to you with a really, really important video really quick here. And I want you to think for a second, what if you never, ever, ever had to worry about groceries ever again? Like, you know how you go to the grocery store, you buy some food, and then, well, you get there, you pay for it with your money. What if you never literally had to do that ever again? What if Netflix, for example, you never had to pay for Netflix ever again? It was completely free for you. You never had to worry about where that money was coming from. What if you didn't ever have to make worry about a car payment for the rest of your life? Or insurance payments, medical insurance. What if your mortgage was paid for? See, what I'm talking about is when I was brand new, that was the one thing I wanted to do. It's going to sound silly, but the WWE Network, $9.99. And I was like, I'm going to have one book pay for that. And I've had one book pay for that for a long time. And I probably tune into that thing maybe twice a year. But I keep paying for it because that book keeps selling. And yeah, that book does maybe $10, $12 a month. That's it. I don't even know what book it is, but at this point it's irrelevant. But bottom line is, when I had a book doing that amount, I said that book is paying for that subscription. And I never had to worry about that again. And I want you to think, what if you had a book that was now paying for your grocery bills? That if you're spending $100, $150, $200 a week on groceries, what if you had a book that was making that in passive income every single month? So you didn't have to worry about where's the money coming from groceries. Every time you go to the grocery store, you know, Jeff Bezos and Amazon is covering this. What if your car payment was paid for? You know, $200, $300, $400 a month. Some people, it could be your car payment. Maybe if you are in something a bit more expensive, it might be a little higher, whatever the case. But, you know, the average car payment, I believe, is around $400. Having a book make $400 a month is not that difficult. Maybe we combine it. Maybe it's 2 or 3 books making $400 a month for you to pay for your car payment. How would that impact your life? How would that change your mental ability? How would that strengthen the relationship with your spouse? Because you don't have to worry about, you know, the bank taking that $400 a month anymore because, well, they've taken it, but you have these assets that are online that are making money every single month in a passive form, and you just allocate that money to take care of that. That is the power of making a passive income with self-publishing. And when we get together, we're having a big, massive event, September 12th to the 15th. And I want you there because these are the things that we're going to be talking about. These are the things we're going to be showing you how to do, and so much more. We have people who are coming who are making $1,000 plus from one book. One book that they've published is bringing them over $1,000 a month in passive income. What could you do if you take one book and that book was making you $1,000 a month? What household things could you get taken care of? These are the things we're going to talk about. These are the things I want to teach you. I want you to learn because it has drastically changed my life. It's changed the life of so many of my students, so many of my friends now. And, you know, my brother's going through the exact same thing. And I want you to be able to experience this too. So link in the description. It's September 12th to the 15th. Cancun, Mexico, Paradisas Resort. This resort is world renowned. This resort is absolutely insane. This event is going to change your life at 110% guarantee. 110% guarantee. If this event does not completely change the course of your life, I will fully refund your ticket to the event, plus give you a 10% because I was wrong. That's how confident I am in this event, changing and impacting your life and your business and everything else that is going on for you. You need to be there.